welcome to Southern Sport Fishing. It is about 5:30, 6 a.m. This boat in front of me is the one I'm going to be on in a minute. We're headed out to somewhere like Bastrop, Texas, I think, to launch the boat. So we're going to be hitting, I think, West Bay, West Galveston Bay, and I think it's going to be a great day. I don't know about y'all. You know what I'm ready for? If you thought I was going to have a little montage, a little music as we get on the boat and head out to the spot, you'd be exactly right, because that's what's about to happen. Let's go. Just got 2 sharks. That was a shark right there. It's attacking stuff on the top. Really? Yeah. For some reason, there's a lot of sharks right here.
Yeah, and you were gonna catch them on that TV.
That was a big fish that hit something right there.
I was trying to get him to come up. I was bringing the. I'm gonna try that again. You bring the bait up to the side and you just shake it a little bit, and then a shark comes. Pretty sweet.
I can do net duty.
Alright. That isn't like a common occurrence, right? Like catching sharks in the bay?
That's your mama.
Yeah, well, not too common, but I mean, we're right at the damn Gulf, so.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
They're in here. Bull sharks are in here.
Yeah, the bull sharks probably get a lot bigger.
Trying to catch more of those sharks, aren't you?
Absolutely. Just for this, I should have been recording. Like, I made a big mistake. Like, I've been kicking myself about that for a while.
How much battery you got?
I charged it to back to 100 earlier.
Alright, it's far away right now, buddy. We're watching. Mr. Darrell, keep an eye on it. Don't worry.
It looks like it's going that way, though.
Is that a fishing double? Uh-oh.
There you go. There you go.
He's little. Oh, whoa.
No, he's not. It's a shark. I got it. Can I net him? Can I net him?
Shark.
Can I net him?
There he is in the front of the boat.
Bring it around front. There we go. Whoa! Loosen your drag. Let him have what he wants. It's a nice little black tip, guys. Oh! Don't hold the rod like that. It's gonna break it. Ready? Pull it up. 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 He does not like it.
Good job.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. There you go.
They're all about the same.
I know, it's a nice shark. Oh,
Nice. Need a flyer. Where's the flyers at? Oh. Dude,
that's sweet.
oh, he's like sandpaper, Dylan.
Dang, you got really close to biting you right there.
I know. Alright, I need you to get my phone and take a picture.
Alright.
That's gotta go on Snapchat.
Oh, it's out. There you go. Where's your phone at?
Oh my gosh.
Is that a trout slick right here, or is that a boat that drove by?
It's on the camera.
Yeah. That's pretty sweet. These sharks are fun. He's smiling at the camera.
There you go.
Good job, dude. You go, it's little, and then your line starts peeling out. You're like, oh, it's little.
Yeah, I know. As soon as I said that, he took off. I'm like, okay, he's not that little. He must have been swimming towards me.
Yeah, the croaker's awesome. So good.
Oh, there he is, little shark. Look, see him?
I'm gonna get him.
See him? He's a small one. Oh, there he is, right there.
Where?
Stay right there. There you'll see it. He just went that way.
Oh, I got over you.
On my line.
That little thing. I bet
I don't even know if that one could handle that croaker.
He might be able. Hey, he'd probably want it.
He'll try.
he'll try.
What was he saying earlier? Did you think that was a slick earlier?
Yeah, I thought it was.
It was a boat slick though.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. I wouldn't mind seeing a slick right now.
Yeah.
Flipping that thing.
What's
Oh,
up?
hey, so Sam, we went out on a bait fishing trip, me and my little brother and my dad, and we were kind of coming back in, right?
Right.
And we look off a couple 100 yards out, and there's just, I mean, the craziest splashing on the water, and the captain's like, oh crap, everybody sit down. And he gunned it, and I'm like, what is it? He goes, I think it's Jack Crevelle's.
Was it?
Huge school of Jack Crevelle's, dude, and he's like, don't even worry about what you got on there, just throw it out in the middle of that. And we threw it out in the middle, and me and my brother both hooked up instantly.
It's awesome.
Mine got cut off immediately. He said they cut the line off using their friends, you know, each other's fish.
Oh, I just saw Jaws come up.
But my brother hooked into one and fought him for like 30 minutes, got him about 10 feet from the boat, and he cut the line.
Really?
There he comes. There he is.
Where's he at?
Right there.
Little sucker. Little sucker.
Now look at him shake.
He ripped a piece off. I got him.
You on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Nice. You cut a little. Dude, he ate that in like 2 pieces. Too.
Yeah, he came over, ripped it right in half.
And we thought it was gonna.
Good deal. This is nowhere near the size of the other ones. Woo!
Whoa. Where are the pliers?
They're in that holder over here.
He does not like me.
Go around the other side. Around the other side. They're on the side.
There you go.
Hey, thank God those sharks
Yeah.
are sandpapery.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it is a blacktip. I got it
If they
out.
were slimy, I would
Look at
not
that.
want to be handling them.
He's bleeding a lot. Got blood all over my shirt. Yeah, let's say hi to the camera. As you can see, it's starting to rain, and we're getting out of here. Video cut short a second ago because my phone overheated, so. But it's starting to pour, and there's a big storm coming, so we're gonna go to this restaurant over here. Hopefully get some more footage, but if we don't, I'll get back to you. Alright, what's going on, guys? Obviously back. I'm back behind the boat. Heading back to Galveston County. Got 3 sharks today, threw them on the counter right here. It's kind of depressing that I only got 1 shark on there. The shark, okay, I caught 2 sharks before, and my phone had overheated, so I left it in the icebox in the waterproof housing, and I couldn't keep recording with it, so I don't even know. I was fishing, I caught 2 sharks. The second one I caught was astronomically larger than the one I caught in video. Like, I don't know, I'm pretty sure the thumbnail is going to be that shark. I'm going to post it on my Instagram. My Instagram is linked in my channel or to my YouTube channel, so check that out. I'd love it for y'all to like and subscribe. I hope the video is great. I'm going to get home and edit it right now, and tomorrow I got an offshore trip. It's going to be amazing, guys. A lot in store. Thanks for watching. Y'all are the best ever.